Hi everyone! In this video we're going to be doing a super cool and simple experiment where we do a little science experiment and then have fun with it at the end, adding the little A in STEM for STEAM. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the little icon in the upper right corner that appears right now and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our science experiment videos that you and your child can have a lot of fun with. So let's get started. For this experiment, all you need is a cup of milk, 4 teaspoons of vinegar, and a strainer. You're gonna also have to boil the milk on the stove, just a little heads up. And now let's dive into the experiment. So the first thing you have to do is boil the cup of milk on the stove until the milk is warm but not boiling. Pour the milk into a separate bowl, then pour the vinegar inside the milk. Then stir it until a clumpy mass starts to form inside the mixture. Yours might come out a little more scattered and not all clumped up together. It varies for like the type of milk that you use. Whole milk is better. And then after that, you can play with the new plastic, I guess, that you just formed and make whatever you want. And after, you can decorate it, paint it, do whatever you want with it. If you leave your creation out for like a day or two, it'll start to harden and your creation will become plastic. We did a little decoration with ours to make it look like our Powerlin logo. You can do whatever you want with your plastic milk. And now we're going to talk a little bit about how this experiment works. When you add vinegar to the milk, the acidity of the milk changes. It becomes more acidic. There's a substance in the milk called casein, which is Latin for cheese. The change in acidity causes the casein in the milk to unfold and separate from the rest of the milk. The casein does not mix well with the vinegar and separates itself into the blobs that we see. That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Powerlearn, and I'll see you next time.